The next divine name is Al-Alim, which means the all-knowing. Allah, the Exalted, is all-knowing as nothing escapes His knowledge, whether in the heavens or the earth, whether visible or not. The knowledge of Allah, the Exalted, has no limit. It has no beginning and no end, and it is innate, meaning no one gave it to Him. Every creation which possesses knowledge has been granted it by none other than Allah, the Exalted. The knowledge of the creation is limited and has a beginning. Allah, the Exalted, is fully aware of one's outer and inner beings at all time. The Muslim who understands this divine name will refrain from sins both outward and inward, rightfully believing Allah, the Exalted, knows all this and will hold them accountable for their actions. In addition, they will not stress about worldly issues, understanding that Allah, the Exalted, is fully aware of them and will respond to them at the right time. A Muslim should act on this divine name by striving to gain and act on useful knowledge, both worldly and religious, which is the path of piety. This is the true inheritor of the holy prophets, peace be upon them, which has been indicated in a narration found in Sunan Ibn Majah, number 223. One must remember that actions without knowledge leads to misguidance, and knowledge without action has no benefit. Chapter 2 Al-Baqarah, verse 78.
And among them are unlettered ones who do not know the scripture except indulgement in wishful thinking, but they are only assuming.
And chapter 62 Al-Jumu'ah, verse 5.
The example of those who were entrusted with the Torah, and then did not take it on, is like that of a donkey who carries volumes of books.
One must therefore combine them both, beginning with knowledge and ending with actions. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.